Hey guys, it's James for tonight here today, and we got tornado siren test going on. Federal signal 2001, right? Tornado siren that we have today's test day. They go off at 1 o'clock. It's 12:58 currently from what my phone says. Smart Great Winty Productions on the phone. I got the tripod set up. Tornado siren should be going off any second.
1 minute.
Yep, that's right. My phone says 1 p.m. any second now. There it goes. Okay guys, with that being said, that was the tornado test, the Federal Signal 2001 tornado siren going off for test 1 p.m. first Saturday of the month. Today was May 2nd. Ben and I actually tried to do it last month on April 4th, I think it was, or something like that, the first day. Let me check my calendar real quick. But anyway, so that was the test. So the test is now over. Yeah, last month it was April 4th, so we came out. However, it didn't go off because there were a lot of clouds in the area, and they didn't want to send it off because people might actually think it would be a real tornado. So the weather today was sunny with a little bit of clouds. Well, it's partly cloudy, I should say. So there you guys go. Federal Signal 2000 going off. What do you want to say about it, Ben?
This is actually a pretty awesome video because, however, if it actually runs up like that, it's actually pretty amazing. If it's like a couple miles away from the house, it can actually literally hear it from inside.
Right, yeah. And that thing is really loud. Because I remember once I was up here at this place, because it's the playground, and I was playing, and the thing went off, scared the heck out of me, because it was another test. But anyway, there you guys go. Federal Signal 2001 tornado siren going off for the test. Thanks for watching. See lots of more videos. That means comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.